Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Phoenix Point. Begin by lowering difficulty to learn mission flow and experiment with soldier builds. Focus on squad composition, cover use, and equipment synergy. Manage your base resources carefully and choose research that complements your playstyle. Treat missions as learning opportunities and retreat when necessary to preserve veteran soldiers and avoid costly setbacks. Keep fights methodical and use each soldier for a clear role, like scout, heavy, or sniper. Move into covered positions that offer sightlines and flank enemies when the opportunity arises. Use suppression and overwatch to limit enemy advances and protect injured teammates. Redeploy wounded soldiers to avoid permadeath and return them after recovery with improved gear. At the strategic layer, expand steadily and secure resource nodes that support your research priorities. Build workshops and labs to speed up weapon and armor upgrades that shift the battle in your favor. Maintain a reserve of supplies for emergency recruitment and repairs, and choose faction alliances that fill gaps in your tech tree or offer tactical benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.